This is a tutorial video to show you how to take a Google Doc assignment and make it into an editable copy that you can type in and complete the assignment in. So whether you are on a website or in Canvas, you're going to click on the Google Doc link that your teacher gives you. So in this case, we're in a website. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link here. And the assignment is going to open up in your Google Docs app. Make sure that you have Google Docs app downloaded from the app catalog and that you're signed in your school Google account. So once you have the assignment in your Google Docs app, you're going to click on the dots at the top right, the three dots here. You're going to click Share and Export. You're going to click Make a Copy. And it might take a moment or two to go ahead and make a copy depending on how large the file is. You can see a new copy of the activity or the assignment popped up, and now it's called Copy of whatever your assignment title was. So now we need to make sure we rename this. So to rename it, you actually need to press this back button up here to go back into your Google Docs app where you can see all of your assignments or see all of your Google documents. And then you're going to click these little three dots here. And you're just going to click on Rename. And so then if your teacher gave you directions as to what to rename the file, you can go ahead and follow those directions. Otherwise, I highly recommend just putting your name and then copy of whatever the assignment title was. Now, just to make sure you know how to type in this, if I just were to click on it now, it's not going to bring up a cursor. I need to click on this little pencil in a circle at the bottom right here. And once I've clicked on that, now you can see that the keyboard pops up and my options at the top here have popped up. So now I can go through the assignment and type wherever I need to or modify whatever I need to in order to complete my work. If you have any questions about how to make a copy of any Google Doc, please make sure that you are emailing your teacher.